Alright, this is just a video to announce a couple new things that I'm doing. This is just going to be a quick one. I don't want to waste a bunch of time with all the jokes and stuff. So, the first thing that I want to talk about is, let me grab it real quick. Furniture plans. I am now offering furniture plans. Right now I have 2 sets available, and I'll hopefully be adding more as we move along. This one is for the plywood rocking chair, and I also have a set for the dining chair. And that is with the thicker seat, of course. So these will be available to purchase on my website. I have a link in the description. I tried to be as detailed as possible and provide as many visuals as I could with these. So if you've been wanting to try your hand at something you've seen me build in the past, go ahead and check those out. Next thing I want to talk about is I am now offering some merch. I know everyone on the internet these days is trying to slang their t-shirts, but I wanted to get these made anyways just for myself, so I figure why not offer them up in case somebody else wants something. I'm also trying to have some fun with it and not just offer stuff that only has my logo. So if people are into it, I want to keep adding designs as we move forward. And that brings me to my last thing. Hold on, let me look at my notes. Okay, so I struggled a bit with this one, but I have started a Patreon, and I'll be honest, I don't love the idea of going directly to my audience and asking for money. Hold on, can you take me seriously with this? That's better. Anyways, I didn't want to start a Patreon until I had other things to offer, like the plans and merchandise, in case there are people that wanted to support me but didn't want to commit to something long term. But the reality is that as YouTube takes more and more time, I need to pay for that time somehow. And hopefully I've set up the Patreon in a way that you feel like it is worth it beyond just knowing that you are supporting what I'm doing and allowing me to create more quality stuff for people to enjoy. And of course, no pressure to participate in any of this. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, but this just allows me to hopefully do more of it. All right, that's all I've got. If you watched all of this, I thank you. If you clicked, then bailed, I appreciate the effort. And if you skip this completely, I understand. And sorry I didn't have time for all of my usual jokes.